everyone, and welcome back to the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel and to the testing studio. In fact, a brand new testing studio for us. That's one of the reasons we haven't brought you many videos of late, is we have actually had a couple of weeks respite, or we've been moving into a larger premises for both Trusted Car Products and my sister detailing company, Autogleam. In the meantime, I've also had a little baby boy, so I've been very busy indeed, hence the lack of content. But we're back now, we're going to be smashing the content out, so make sure you hit the subscribe button on the channel to stay up to date with all the latest updates from Trusted Car Products. So, in case you hadn't guessed it from all the boxes behind me, we're going to be talking about BecauseRacecarBox today. Now, if you're a regular on the channel, you'll know that every month we do an unboxing video for the team at RacecarBox. Always really enjoy receiving the boxes. But what we're going to do is take it right back to the beginning today and talk to you about RacecarBox as a concept, what you can expect from them and how it works. So firstly, what is BecauseRacecarBox? I'm actually holding this month's box, which we'll be taking a look inside in just a little while. But RacecarBox itself is a subscription box service. So you can expect, I'd say, a minimum of 4 to 5 products in a box each month, sometimes more, sometimes you might get accessories. But the important thing is you never know what you're going to get in the box. So it is a fantastic way to try out products that you might not normally get a chance to try or might not even have heard of. So you might have seen on the table next to me, we have a wide range of products. Many of these are brands I know, but are products I haven't used before, and some of them are complete just new canvases to me. They're brands I've never heard of, which is absolutely fantastic from a product testing perspective for me, from a detailing perspective for the day job, and I just really enjoy getting the opportunity to try lots of products that I wouldn't normally try. So a really cool way of trying new things. Now, how does it work? So you can pick up a one-off box from the BecauseRacecarBox website, that is BecauseRacecarBox.com, if you just want to try it on a one-off, or you can subscribe to the service, and if you subscribe you will receive a box once a month to your doorstep. They send them out in 2 batches midway through the month and at the end of the month, but once a month you will get a box of products directly to your doorstep. Okay, so how much does it cost if you're interested in signing up to RacecarBox, or if you just want a one-off box? So currently on the RacecarBox website, if you wanted a one-off box, you'd be looking at £17.99. And if you wanted to subscribe to receive a box to your doorstep once a month, it's just £14.99. And there's actually even further savings to be had if you sign up for 6 and 12-month subscriptions, for example. But the important thing to stress is for that £14.99 or even the £17.99 for a one-off box, is you will every month get at least equal to, if not far greater, the value inside the box. The contents of the products, the accessories, sometimes you get things like air fresheners in there as well. It makes for a really good value way to try the products out. So it does work out as a really good value way of exploring the detailing scene, really, and like I say, tapping into those products you might not normally go and buy. As a little bit of an extra bonus as well, we have actually partnered with BecauseRacecarBox for some time now, and we can bring you a discount code to use on the website. So when you're ordering your one-off box or your subscription box, and it's also valid for all the accessories on the website that they sell as well, if you pop the code Trusted Car Products, all in capital letters in, you will save 10% off your first box and off all accessories on the website. So a little bit of a helping hand from us there. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a look inside this month's box and the products within. Okay, so let's have a look inside this month's box. This is the, what month are we in? August. This is the August BecauseRacecarBox. So we're going to have a look at the products inside and just talk you through the contents. Now, as always, you get the information card. On this one we have a Nissan 350Z on the front, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, I believe, yes it is, this is Leanne, the owner of RacecarBox's Nissan 350Z. Very nice indeed. I know she's wanted one for a long time as well, and was delighted when she got one. On the back we have the contents of the box on the card, and any relative instructions on how to use the products are always useful to have as a reference point, and for a quick reference guide for what's in the box. So let's have a look inside. I'm going to struggle for places to put things today. Right, so straight away on the top, I can see we've got a little PowerMatch air freshener. We've worked with PowerMatch several times before in the past, great company. Shout out to Wayne Radford at PowerMatch actually, who's always looked after us very nicely there. I've used these air fresheners before, they do smell great and they actually last quite a long time as well. We then have Juicy Details, a product I've actually been meaning to explore more from. This is their clay lubricant, so you'd use this with a clay bar to do a decontamination on your car. A nice generous sample bottle there as well, I believe, yes, 200 mils. Don't know if it's got any sort of scent to it. Yes, it has. Looks like a aftershave-y type scent to it, sort of a perfumed scent. Smells very nice though. But yeah, like I say, that is used for clay bars, clay pads, clay mitts, clay cloths. There's all sorts of different forms of clay these days. So you'd make the surface nice and slick on the vehicle before you start decontaminating. So look forward to trying that one. Second out of the box, oh, it's another product from Juicy Details. This is a pre-wash. This is a bug and grime remover. So you'd use this as pre-wash suggests before you start your wash process to remove the bugs from the car, or if they don't come off, if they're particularly stubborn, it'll at least loosen and break the bonds of them to make for easier cleaning. Very strong citrus scent to that. Citrus being a very good degreaser, so it makes sense. So yeah, very good product to have to hand. Oh, smell choked me slightly. Looks to be a very generous box this month. Okay, next out we have Infinity Wax, Scottish detailing supply brand these, very good guys up there. Shout out to Mike there, who's helped us out many times with products. So this is Liquid Fire. This is their fallout remover, so am I going to be brave enough to smell this? Actually, it's not quite as bad as some, but it's not pleasant. Fallout removers used to remove iron particles on your vehicle, ferrous deposits that land from industrial pollution, so bleed them out your paintwork, and your brake pads will give off a lot of dust that needs to be bled out of wheels. I'm using the word bled because you've probably seen videos online where where the products react with the contaminants and turn purple, and it gives like a bleeding effect. So this would pair very nicely with the clay products. So you've got the clay lubricant to use with a clay bar, and you've got the fallout remover, which you'd use before you clay a car to make the claying process easier. Okay, another one from Infinity Wax. This is their Wipeout Snow Foam. I'm gonna get high from all this. No real scent of note to that one, just smells slightly clean. But Snow Foam, another pre-wash product, so that pairs well with the Juicy Details pre-wash. So you've got a bug and grime remover, which you could use prior to the Snow Foam. Snow Foam then dwelling on the car and softening the soiling before you wash your car. And then we have a wheel cleaner from Polish Pigs in the box. We've worked with Polish Pigs several times before. You can actually check out a few of their reviews on our website. Always been really impressed with the Polish Pigs product. I'd imagine this will smell foul because wheel cleaners tend to. Yeah, smells just cleaning, but not in a good way, very chemical. But it's a non-acidic wheel cleaner, so you could use that prior to the fallout remover, the Liquid Fire. So clean the wheels off, then use the Liquid Fire to get any remaining contaminants. Then, Christ, this is a very bumper box this month. We've got a clay bar in here as well. So clay lube, clay bar, fallout remover, wheel cleaners. You've got a full set here to do a nice decontamination on your car. So really, really generous box this month. So the clay bar feels like quite a soft clay bar, which is actually my preference. You get various coarsenesses of clay bars, usually soft, medium and hard, sometimes called soft, medium and regular. But yeah, you slick up the surface, gently rub the clay bar across the surface to remove contaminants. We do actually have a how to clay your car video on the YouTube channel, so make sure to check that out. I am running out of space. And we even have a shampoo sample from Power Matched in here as well. So you really do have the full works here. You've got pre-wash, wash stage, wheel cleaning and decontamination. So a very, very generous box from RacecarBox this month, and actually a very good shampoo as well. Don't want to overlook that. The Power Matched shampoo is a very nice product indeed. So I think that is it. I'd hope that's it in the nicest possible way, because that's a hell of a box. We've got the usual pair of gloves, which is nice. And we've got a couple of trigger heads in there for the various products that require them. But a really bumper box there from the team at RacecarBox this month. So you can see what I was referring to before with the value. If this was a one-off box, $17.99 currently, and if it was a subscription box, $14.99. And you look at what you're getting inside, it's exceptional value. Thank you for checking out another of the Because RacecarBox videos on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel, and hopefully this oversight gave you a bit more of a look into how RacecarBox works. Alluding to the value, don't forget you have the Trusted Car Products code that you can use on the website to get 10% off your first box and all accessories. That's Trusted Car Products, in capital letters for that 10% discount. But like I say, these make exceptional value boxes. I mean, just to throw it out there, the clay bar that comes with the box, you can pay up to around the £10 mark and sometimes even more just for a clay bar on its own, let alone all the other fantastic products you've got in this box. A total of 8 things in the box this month. So a fantastic way to try some new products. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you didn't, hit the dislike button and tell us why so we can improve our videos. And subscribe to the channel and make sure to check us out on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and at the official website at trustedcarproducts.co.uk. And of course, check out BecauseRacecarBox at BecauseRacecarBox.com, and we'll see you next time.